Now I am using the command circle. So go to command line and type C, press enter. So if you activate the circle command, it will ask you to specify the center point for circle. So it is asking you to specify the center point. Just click anywhere on the screen to specify the center point, and it will ask you to specify radius of circle. What is the radius of circle? You need to specify there. And to know the value of the radius of the circle, just give the value here in the command line. So presently I don't have any value of radius. I just clicking on the screen to specify the radius of the circle. And again I am activating this circle command. You just press enter to activate the last used command. So again I am specifying the center point for the circle. So just click somewhere on the screen, and now I don't know the radius of the circle, but I know the diameter of the circle. So how to activate to the diameter? See here, there is a diameter option. Just type D and press enter. So now you can view the value of the diameter here. So specify diameter of circle. It is asking you to specify the diameter of the circle. So currently I don't have any diameter value. I am clicking on the screen to specify the value of the diameter. See here. So you can also specify radius, and you can also specify diameter, whatever you want, by using circle command. Again go to command line, just type C and press enter to activate the circle command. And there are different options here, 3P, 2P, TTR, like that. So what does it mean? So 3P for 3 point, we can create a circle with 3 points. So I am activating that 3-point circle. Just type 3P and enter. So it is asking you to specify the first point on circle. So you just click somewhere on the screen, and it is asking you to specify the second point, and it is asking you to specify the third point. So if you have 3 points, then you can create, by using those 3 points, you can create a circle. Again just type enter, just press enter to activate the last used command. Then there is a 2-point circle. The second option is 2P for 2-point circle. We can create a circle with 2 points. Just type 2P and press enter. See here, there is a point. I am clicking to the first circle center point. I am clicking to specify the first point, and clicking here to specify the second point. See what happens with the 2 points. A circle has created. Okay? So I am using line command. What happens? I am using line command. I am drawing some profile like this, and I am drawing another profile. So just type C and press enter, and there is an option TTR for, there are 2 tangents, tan, R for radius. So there are 2 tangents and a radius value. So to activate this command, just type C and press enter. Then specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So it is asking you to specify the first tangent. Just click on this line and specify point on the object for second tangent. Just click on here, and you need to specify the radius of the circle. I'm just clicking enter to activate the default value. See here, there is a default value. I'm activating that. Just type enter. So with those 2 tangents, a circle will be created. So it is for tan radius. TTR for tan radius. If you have 2 tangents and you know the value of the radius, then you can use those command tan radius. You can also see here in the ribbon area the circle command, and there are a number of options here in the circle command. I have told you By using center and radius, you can create a circle here. But you can, if you know the diameter of the circle, you can use center and diameter of the circle. You can use 2-point circle, you can use 3-point circle, you can use tan radius, tangent radius values, and there is a last option. And if you have the last option, tan, if you have the 3 tangents, in between 3 tangents you need a circle, then you can use this command. Just I am clicking here, going to this circle command in the ribbon area, and just click on this drop down menu and click on tan and it is asking you to specify the center point of for circle. See here, so you cannot use this, but you have to use this. See here, specify first point on circle. So I am clicking here, this on this line. Specify second point, clicking on this line. Specify third point on circle, and I am clicking here. So here, see here, there creates a circle with 3 tangents. There are 3 tangent lines. With those tangent lines, a circle will be created. And you can also use these options. See here, and I am activating this center radius, and it is asking you to specify the center point, and just give the, if you know the radius of the value, then just give the value and click on somewhere on the screen to draw the circle. See here, the next center and diameter I am activating. Just I am clicking here to specify the center point of circle, and just pressing on somewhere on the screen to specify the diameter of the circle. And see here, there is a 2-point circle, and if you know the 2 points, see here, I am clicking here, I am clicking here, so I know the 2 points, so that you can create a circle with 2 points. So just going to 3-point circle and activating that. So first point and the second point, and this is the third point. You can create with the 3 points a circle. And this third one, tan radius, and I have the 2 tangent lines, and I currently I don't know the radius value, and I am just pressing enter to activate the default value. Just press enter. See here, there creates a tangent circle. There are 2 tangents, and the radius value is more, so that it is going out from the tangent. So if you know the exact value, you can create those tangent lines. So like that, you need to use the commands in this circle part. So just type control, hold control and press A to select all objects on the screen, and press delete button from your graphical area. See, so that every object will be deleted.